everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be doing a full week of workouts. So today is Monday. It was leg day, glute focused, lifting heavy. I'll give you guys like a full rundown of everything. So right now, goals wise, I am trying to bulk and lift heavy. So I'm eating a lot. I'm trying to really push myself with weight. So as you guys saw, I was doing some lower reps, higher weight to really try to push myself, build some muscle. So that's what we did today. Right now, my workout split isn't like set in stone. I'm kind of changing it up. Monday is always leg day. There are some days that are pretty much the same, but I'll change up, like if I do full body, if I do shoulders, and back. So I already have my workouts planned for this week, but that was today. And then for the workout outfit, I have on this set from the White Fox Sarah's Day collab. It is sold out right now. I think that they're restocking it, but I don't know. But I get a ton of questions on this set every time I wear it. I absolutely love it. It is so cute. So that is the outfit for the day. I do wake up very early to work out. So I wake up at 4:10. I'm usually out of here by like 4:40, 45, somewhere around there, depending on how long it takes me to get ready. Before I work out, I eat a rice cake with peanut butter. You guys will see that in my full day of eatings. And I have my pre-workout, which is just the BOWMAR Nutrition Sour Gummy. So this pre-workout is by far my favorite. It doesn't make you like jittery or itchy or anything like that. It doesn't have beta-alanine in it, which is the ingredient that makes you feel like jittery and itchy. So it's just like a good energy rush, gives you a good pump. So that's what I do pre-workout. Post-workout, I am currently mixing up my protein. So today I have the BOWMAR Nutrition Vegan Cinnamon Cereal Protein. I just have it in my shaker and I'm mixing it with my BOWMAR mixer. This protein tastes like the milk of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So I always have protein post-workout. Usually either this one, the cinnamon cereal, or the blueberry donut flavor. That one's my favorite. This is my second favorite, but I am out of blueberry donut, so I have to order more. My booty band and my hip thrust pad are both from Amazon. So I'll put the link to my Amazon page in the description so that you guys can get that if you're interested. I also just got another band from Buff Bunny collection, and that one is really good too. So those are my two options for bands. I'll link both of them below so that you guys can get both of those. Good morning, everybody. I just got back from my workout, having my vegan cinnamon cereal protein again today. Tuesdays are always some sort of like HIIT circuit, or I change up how I write them. So I'll do circuits sometimes I'll do like timed, sometimes I'll do like EMOM style. So it's some sort of like sweaty, high intensity type of workout, and they usually take like 30 minutes on average, I would say. So after, I usually do some sort of abs. So that's what you guys saw me doing. Sometimes I'll do like body weight abs just on a mat. Sometimes I'll do weighted abs like I did today with the cable crunches. Oh, also my workout set. My set is all Lululemon. So this is the Free to Be sports bra. Let me put you down so you can see the back. I absolutely love these. I think that they're super cute. I wear a size 6 in all their sports bras, and then these are a very old pair of Align pants. So they're just like a navy. I love mixing pink and navy. And in the Aligns, I always wear a 4. I love them, and I will see you guys for tomorrow's workout. Happy Wednesday, everybody. It is much later after my workout. It is now 5:30 at night. So I had to go back into the office today on like my normal schedule. So this morning was like a mad dash to like get my workout done, come home, get ready, and get out the door to get to work. So I didn't have time to talk to you guys this morning. I also didn't record my warm-up or like my cool down stretch, which for today was the same as what I did Monday for my leg day Monday. And I don't change it that much. My warm-ups are like very quick. I honestly should warm up more, but I do not. Anyways, Wednesday is another leg day for me. So today I did heavy sumo deadlifts. Usually Mondays are my heavy squat day. Wednesdays are my heavy sumo deadlift day. Today I did the 10 sets of 10 hip thrusts, which I love doing. It just changes it up from a normal hip thrust. Monday I did heavier hip thrusts, so today I went light and upped the reps for more volume. So I like to change it up like that just so that my glutes don't get used to like the same thing. So I'll change up reps, sets. I'll change up if I'm using a band, if I'm doing lightweight, heavier, if I'm adding a pause, pulses, abductions. There's so many different variations that you can do of hip thrusts, squats, deadlifts, all that good stuff. I will be changing my workout split, I think, possibly next week. I think that I'll keep my Monday, Wednesday leg days just because it works best for me, like energy level wise too. Like Mondays I have a lot of energy, so I always want to do a leg day Monday. Tuesday I'm pretty good too, so that's why I do my HIIT day Tuesday. Wednesday I'm still feeling pretty good, so I do another leg day. Thursdays I am like zombie mode tired, so that's why I choose to do an upper body day, because it requires like less energy for me, I guess, for upper body days. So that's why I choose to do that. So I think that I'll still keep Monday, Wednesday leg days. And since I am really focusing on my glutes, I like to add some stuff in on Friday as well. So I'll probably keep that. That was today's workout. So I will see you guys for tomorrow's workout. Hi everybody. I was so tired this morning, which for some reason Thursdays I'm always exhausted, which is why I do some form of upper body. So today I did shoulders and back. I've been doing shoulders and back together on Thursdays. I think in my next workout split that I make, I'm gonna separate them again. Tomorrow is a full body day, so that will be good. And then Saturday, we will most likely go to the gym and I'll probably do some sort of full body, also probably more geared towards upper body. Those are the plans for the rest of the week, and I will see you guys for tomorrow's workout. It was the last workout of the week. Well, like, yeah, I'm gonna work out tomorrow, Saturday, but full body day. I change up my Friday full bodies. I tend to focus on strength for Friday, and then Saturday I usually do some sort of full body too, where I don't focus as much on like lifting heavier. I'll do higher reps and lighter weight Saturday. So today was, I kind of focused a lot on lower body with the mix of like the pause squats, but I did a lighter weight for the pause squats, the conventional deadlift, and like all of the like thrusters and squat upright row. So it just kind of depends on what I'm feeling for that week of what I decide to put in my full body for Friday, but it is like a strength focused full body. So that is it for today, and my set is from Lululemon. So this is the white energy bra, and then these are the diamond dye Aligns in the blue color, which I absolutely love these. So I'm going to record the grocery haul real quick, get in the shower, and I will see you guys for the Saturday workout. So for the Saturday workout, I forgot to bring my camera because we had a lot of stuff to do after, and I just like was not thinking about it. So I did like a full upper body day, which my Saturday workouts change up. Sometimes I do full body, sometimes I do upper body. Kind of just depends on how I am feeling. I don't really have like a rhyme or reason to Saturday workouts. That is all of the workouts for the week. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing the workouts that I do during the week. If you guys want more workouts, you can check out my Instagram. I'll put my handle right here. I post all of my workouts that I do on there, all of the full workouts, so you guys can see them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.